welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to tell you how to make AR specs. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm in a brand new project. So now, as you can see in the assets panel right over here, I have one glasses object right over here, and I also have one block called the head uploader. These are the key ingredients to add our glasses. So now let's on the glasses group and drag and drop this FBX file you can see right over here. So where do we drag and drop it? We drag and drop it inside the scene panel, which is right over here. This is called the scene panel. Just like that. But now you can see that our glasses is too big, right? It's really big. So to make it small, we are going to use a face tracker. But before making it small, let's first add the face tracker. So for that, we need to click on the plus icon, and then we need to choose the face tracker object right over here. And next, click on the insert button. So now, drag the glasses inside the face tracker. Just like that. So now as you can see, the specs is following the way I move, right? That's really cool. So now over here you can see in the properties panel, I'm going to change the rotation option from -8900 to -90 on the x-axis, -90. Okay, looks like it's really big. So now let's click on the scale option you can see right over here, which will allow us to scale down the object. Using these three controls, let's just scale it down. Okay, so as you can see, I've scaled the glasses nicely. But now you can see the problem, right? When I turn my head, I can still see that line of the glasses over there, right? So to fix that issue, we are going to use an head occluder. So for that, I'm going to go to my assets panel right over here and on the blocks group, which is this one. And there we'll see the head occluder, which is this one. So let's simply drag it and drop it there, not inside the face tracker. We drag and drop it above the face tracker. Okay, just like that. Wow. So now you can see there's another problem. The specs is getting overlapped by the head occluder, right? So to fix this, we just need to position the glasses. I'm going to go to the move tool, which is right over here. And let's move it back. Wow. That looks really nice. So that's it for this lesson. I will see you in my next lesson.